This is a Sloan valve, but the end pipe is missing. There's no control stop, but what this means is that with the mag light, we can try to look inside. Okay. I don't see anything coming on the camera. We'll see. But there's lots of sun, so it might come out better on the computer. God, I can see stuff in there. I can see if I look, but can't really get a good angle with that. Unless I maybe hold it like this. Ooh, I see a little bit. There's something in there. Kinda can see, but it's not coming out too good. I can kinda do it. I have to put it like right against. That's like, I could try it. This is pretty much the best shot I can get. It won't come out as good this way. I'm not seeing, oh, I'm seeing a little. That's as good as I'll get though.